Today we're going to take a quick look at a very good quality, reasonably priced insulated screwdriver set from VANPO. The set is made of chrome vanadium steel, black oxidized and heat treated, and feature improved PP and Tpr material grips that are corrosion, oil, and impact resistant. Each set has passed the stamp test, insulation test, flame test, salt spray, torque life, hardness, electrical, and impact tests. They're individually tested and insulated to 1000 volts AC or 1500 volts DC and GS certified according to EN IEC 60900. They're high quality, durable, and comfortable, with a handle that fits just right for a good grip, which always makes the job a lot easier and more enjoyable. This multi-purpose electrician screwdriver set includes 8 different sizes, as seen here, with a cable knife, a voltage tester, and a storage bag. This set is suitable for many industrial and household applications, and is a great gift for anyone who enjoys good quality tools. I hope you enjoyed this brief video on the VANPO insulated screwdriver set, and if you did and you'd like to get my latest videos, don't forget to hit the subscribe button.